NaturalReader features, strengths, weaknesses. NaturalReader is a popular text-to-speech software available as both a desktop application and a mobile app, catering to a wide range of users needing auditory access to digital content. Key features include optical character recognition, OCR, enabling the software to read text from scanned documents and images, support for multiple document formats like PDF, DOCX, TXT, and EPUB, and a variety of natural-sounding voices in multiple languages. Premium plans offer access to more advanced voice options powered by AI, offering increased realism and nuance in pronunciation and intonation. NaturalReader is especially beneficial for individuals with dyslexia, visual impairments, or other reading disabilities, providing an accessible way to consume written information. It also serves as a productivity tool for students and professionals seeking to multitask or improve reading comprehension through simultaneous listening and reading. One of NaturalReader's core strengths lies in its user-friendly interface, making it relatively easy to import documents and begin listening. The ability to adjust reading speed and voice settings allows for personalized listening experiences. The cloud-based functionality ensures that users can access their documents and preferences across different devices. Further, the OCR feature is a significant advantage, broadening the scope of accessible materials beyond purely digital text. However, NaturalReader also presents certain weaknesses. While the free version offers basic functionality, the limited voice selection and features can be restrictive. The cost of premium plans can be prohibitive for some users, especially considering the availability of free or lower-cost alternatives. The accuracy of the OCR feature, while generally good, can sometimes falter with complex layouts or low-quality scans, requiring manual correction. Also, some users may find the voice options, even the premium ones, still lack the full naturalness and expressiveness of human speech, particularly over extended listening periods. A comparative analysis against competitors like Read and Write, Kurzweil 3000, and Speechify reveals that NaturalReader offers a compelling balance of features and affordability. While Read and Write provides more comprehensive learning support tools, and Kurzweil 3000 excels in customization, NaturalReader stands out for its accessibility and intuitive design. Speechify, on the other hand, boasts arguably more realistic AI voices, but often comes with a steeper price tag. Ultimately, NaturalReader is a solid text-to-speech solution suitable for a diverse audience. Its strengths in OCR, ease of use, and multi-platform availability make it a valuable tool for individuals seeking to enhance accessibility and productivity. However, potential users should carefully consider the limitations of the free version and the cost of premium plans, evaluating whether the advanced features justify the investment, and also weigh these benefits against the occasional OCR hiccups.